Good morning, everyone. My name is Crystal Dionyssopoulos, and I'm the president of Open Source Matters and Joomla. I am so excited to welcome you to the August 2024 edition of Pizza, Bugs, and Fun. No matter where you are in the world, I am very happy that you're taking time out of this beautiful Saturday to join us, whether you're joining us from France or South America or Kenya or the United States. I am just so honored to have you here with us. Whether it's your first time or you've done this before, you know that you don't have to be a coder to make a big difference. We need people to help with testing bugs. We need people to help with writing documentation, with translations, and also, of course, if you are a developer, fixing bugs is very welcome too. As always, we couldn't do this without our sponsors who are providing us with servers and the pizza for today. So I'd like to give a huge shout out and a round of applause to Wicked Software, Tassos, and Simplify Your Web who are making today possible. We couldn't do it without you. I really appreciate everything you're doing. And I also want to have a round of applause for the Pizza, Bugs, and Fun team, who are always working to make this event happen twice a year, which is a tremendous amount of work. We appreciate you. I think I've done enough talking, so I'm just gonna let you all get started. Have a wonderful day. I hope it's successful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the other people who are participating. We are all in this together, and we're gonna do great things. So thank you. Have an awesome day.